Why are you paying attention to OO Growth ETF? Investors are looking for investment strategies that can simultaneously pursue long-term stability and growth. The Dividend Growth ETF is the answer. A Dividend Growth ETF is a fund that invests in companies that consistently increase their dividend. It is emerging as an attractive investment product by providing investors with steady cash flow. These companies are likely to provide investors with stable returns and long-term growth, as they are generally financially sound and likely to continue to grow. Looking at historical data, dividend growth ETFs tend to deliver higher returns than market average returns. Dividend growth ETFs don't just select companies that pay high dividends. We select and invest high-quality companies with continuous profit-generating capabilities and growth potential on strict standards. This provides a much more efficient and reliable investment strategy than investors directly analyze and invest in individual companies. The biggest attraction of dividend growth ETFs is the stable dividend. Because dividend growth ETFs invest in companies that consistently increase their dividend, investors can expect a certain amount of cash flow each year. This is a very attractive investment product, especially for investors preparing to retire or those looking to replenish their income. Dividend growth ETFs are made up of a variety of companies, minimizing the exposure of individual companies to risks. It also has a relatively small impact on market volatility, making it suitable for long-term investments. Dividend growth ETFs are systematically managed by fund managers and investment professionals. They closely analyze market conditions, continually evaluate companies, and adjust their portfolios if necessary. Investors can use the know-how of experts to invest without having to spend a lot of time on direct investment. Dividend growth ETFs typically have lower administrative costs compared to other active funds. This is an important factor that can further increase the return on investment. A variety of dividend growth ETF products are available, allowing you to choose products that fit investors' investment styles and investment goals. For example, there are products that meet the needs of various investors, such as investors seeking high dividend yields, investors who want to invest in companies with high growth potential, and investors who want to invest heavily in certain industries. Dividend growth ETFs are suitable for investors aiming for long-term growth rather than short-term returns. It is an attractive investment product for investors who want to accumulate assets over the long term through steadily growing dividends. In a market environment where inflation is rising, companies' profits tend to increase. This leads to an increase in dividends, further increasing the attractiveness of the dividend growth ETF. In fact, dividend growth ETFs often showed better returns than other investment products during past inflation times. Dividend growth ETFs help you form the habit of investing steadily because they pay dividends regularly. In addition, it encourages you to maintain a long-term investment strategy so that you can increase your return on investment. Dividend growth ETFs are a very attractive option for investors seeking both stable dividend returns and long-term growth potential. By investing in dividend growth ETFs, you can secure stable cash flow and expect a long-term return on investment. It is important for dividend growth ETFs to take a long-term view and pursue stable returns through diversified investment and reinvestment strategies. In this respect, dividend growth ETFs are an important investment vehicle that is worth noting in equity investments. Please subscribe, notify, and like. For me, producing videos, it's a great help. Thank you.